If you have some leftover spotty bananas on your counter, then this is the best way to use them. Super moist and flavorful banana bread. And this one's eggless. So let's get baking. To start with, let's prepare the pan. This is 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Brush the base and the sides of the pan with some oil and line it with the parchment paper so we can easily take the bread out once it's done. Next, in a bowl, we'll take all the dry ingredients, which includes 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 pinches or 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, which is optional. Sift all the ingredients. Mix them well and keep aside. In another bowl, take 3 large ripe bananas, which is about 1.5 cups of mashed bananas. Slightly less than 3/4 cup of sugar, to be precise 140 grams of sugar, and 1/4 cup of milk, and blend them. Next, add in 50 grams of melted butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix them well and add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now add the dry ingredients into the wet ones and slowly mix them. Remember not to overmix. This looks good. Now we can add in about 2 tablespoons of raisins. We'll save a few to sprinkle on the top. And 2 tablespoons of chocolate chunks. You can add more or less of these depending on your choice, and you could also add walnuts or other nuts of your choice here. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and sprinkle some chocolate and raisins on the top. Bake it for about 35 to 40 minutes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. And it's done! Nice golden brown top, and you can do a toothpick test. A toothpick inserted in the center of the loaf will come out clean when the bread is done. And here it is, out of the tin and sliced. Super moist and flavorful banana bread. Do try it out and let me know in the comments below how it turned out for you. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and do subscribe for more such easy to follow recipe videos. Thanks for watching.